Let us now consider a more involved example. Example 2. The 7th term of an arithmetic sequence is 8, and the 15th term is negative 8. Find the 85th term of the sequence. Well, the first bit of information that has been given is that the sequence is arithmetic. So, we know that the nth term will be of the form Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Now we also know that the 7th term is equal to 8. This implies that T7, which is equal to a plus 7 minus 1 times d, is equal to 8. Therefore, our first equation is 8 is equal to a plus 6d. We also know that T15 is equal to negative 8. Therefore, T15 is equal to a plus 15 minus 1 times d, which is equal to negative 8. And so our second equation is negative 8 is equal to a plus 14d. We have two equations now with two unknown variables. We can therefore solve these equations simultaneously. So, by making a the head of 1, we get a is equal to 8 minus 6d. We now substitute 1 into 2. So, negative 8 is equal to 8 minus 6d plus 14d, which now implies that negative 8 is equal to 8 plus 8d, which now implies that d, the common difference of the arithmetic sequence, is equal to negative 2. Now, by substituting d equals negative 2 back into 1, we get a is equal to 8 minus 6 times by negative 2, which is equal to 8 plus 12, which is equal to 20. Therefore, a, the first term of the sequence, is 20, and d, the common difference of the sequence, is equal to negative 2. It is now possible to find the general term for this arithmetic sequence. Since Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d is the general term for any arithmetic sequence, and in this specific case, a is equal to 20 and d equals negative 2, then Tn is equal to 20 plus n minus 1 times by negative 2, which is equal to 20 minus 2n plus 2, which is equal to 22 minus 2n. Please note, before we proceed, it is prudent to check whether our general term is correct or not. This is a habit that should be developed for exams, as it will prevent stupid mistakes from being made. Well, we know that the 15th term of the sequence is negative 8. So, we substitute n equals 15 into our nth term, such that T15 is equal to 22 minus 2 times 15, which is equal to 22 minus 30, which is equal to negative 8. This is a correct prediction, and as such, our generalization is correct. Now, getting back to the question, we were asked to find the 85th term of the sequence. Once again, we refer to our general nth term, Tn is equal to 22 minus 2n. We now set n equal to 85. Therefore, T85, which is the 85th term in this arithmetic sequence, is now equal to 22 minus 2 times 85, which is equal to negative 148.